Welcome to Archiesense. TOPOL 27 is here as a practical and efficient housing solution. This house is designed to be occupied immediately after installation, without the need for finishing or furniture selection. With a size of 27 square meters, this house can accommodate 5 main functional areas, namely bedroom, kitchen, living room, bathroom, and dressing room. All components of the house are integrated into one module, making it easier to deliver and install. The development of TOPOL 27 was motivated by the success of the DublDomClub rental business. Experience in designing and managing hundreds of rental housing units is the basis for creating more efficient and durable products. TOPOL 27 prioritizes the use of high-quality and environmentally friendly materials. The combination of oak, black metal, stone, and glass provides a natural and elegant appearance. The floor uses wear-resistant and hypoallergenic materials, making it easy to maintain. The interior design of TOPOL 27 is designed with efficiency and comfort in mind. All furniture and household appliances are included in the package, so residents only need to bring personal items. Each interior element has a clear function and is well integrated. Most of the interior furniture is selected from large stores, so it is easy to replace if necessary. The use of premium materials such as stone and wood gives a luxurious and exclusive impression. The compact oven provided not only functions as a cooking utensil, but can also warm the room. The exterior design of TOPOL 27 combines black metal and wood elements, creating a modern look that is in harmony with various environments. This house is designed to blend in with nature and not interfere with the surrounding scenery. TOPOL 27 featured in this narrative is located in a rural area with views of the river and forest. This location offers comfort and privacy for its residents. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video gives you some new inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any updates from us. See you in the next video.